Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations and the RS2000 project. We better bring you up to speed on this lovely car.
So tell me what you found.
I found a big dent. Big dent there, and a big dent there.
Ooh.
So
someone has been in that tunnel with a mallet.
Yeah, so we better have a go at fixing them up today. Removing those dents. Got a bit of welding to do here where the battery tray came out. Yep. A bit of a hole there and there and there.
Holy holes. So that needs tidying up, fixing. There's some. Ooh, we've got a bit of scabbiness down there, maybe. Get all that fixed up nice.
Yeah, and get this engine bay prepped for some primer, I think.
The car is all on epoxy. All the panels are done. Look, see, stripping that paint off. We've got no reactions. It's all good, isn't it? Yeah. We did the right thing there.
Funny thing is, where we didn't strip the paint off of the pillar over here, and it reacted. The epoxy reacted. So if we'd have left any of this paint on, it would have crinkled up like that. That
would have been the whole car if we hadn't stripped the paint off. I have masked up the nose cone plastic, the black. That's staying original. Obviously we're repainting this because it is cracked. Don't know if you can see it. It's very hard for us to show you. Let me see if I turn this brightness up. You can see the crackage. So that's all getting stripped back. I'm going to be on the nose cone, Lou's going to be on his phone.
Let's see if we can see the dents from this side. We have to pull these carpets back, I think.
Do you think we'll be able to... oh, just turn the brightness up, there we go.
Thank you very much for blinding me.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so we'll move all this wiring stuff. Oh, some chewing gum. You want chewing gum?
Yeah.
You want some chewing gum?
No, thank you.
Gross. Oh!
Oh my god.
Look at all this.
Look at all that.
Just memorabilia.
No way, that's so cool.
Yeah, cool.
What's that? What's that big one behind? Oh, original advert. The new RS2000. That's the same colour as this car, isn't it?
Anyway.
That's cool. How much was it?
3,300. Far too much money.
We'll take two.
Oh, it comes out. Oh, that's sopping.
Oh.
Oh, gross. Almost drying out, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's nicely folded up there. Right, I better get all this crap out
and then we'll take another look.
Yeah.
Stage are we at now?
Well, we have been very busy. We blocked the whole car down with some 180, and we have done all the filler work. There wasn't a lot of filler work. A little bit there, and a little bit there. It's quite a straight car.
Yep.
So the engine bay's in primer. We're now degreasing for the primer stage.
get the whole shell and primer, and then that's the fun bit. I like that bit. We get to smooth it all out ready for paint.
Yeah.
I do like that bit.
So for the wet flat?
Wetland.
Wet flatting.
So now all this is doing is taking all the surface contaminants and oils and sealer. It might look alright, but it's not. It needs to be thoroughly degreased, so there's nothing to stop the paint, or in fact primer, sticking to the shell. Okay, while Lewis is dealing with deliveries, I'll just show you the filler. There's a little bit of filler here at the back. That's all nicely squared up now. There we go, not too much. All the old wax oil holes are sorted. Just a little bit on the edges here, but no, it's looking pretty good. Next time you'll see it, this will all be in primer.
Right, we made primer yesterday. Car looks really good, nice and straight, will come out really well. I've done a little bit of painting in the engine bay because that's where the battery tray goes, and it's easier to paint under it now whilst it's not welded in. So yeah, the welding is going to burn the paint, but I can deal with that easy enough. It's getting the bulk of the paint sorted out is the difficult bit. There's Leanne running away.
I'm not running away.
Totally running away. Is Rusty? She's also running away. She's running to her bed.
Next stage.
Next stage.
We just want a light dusting of a different contrasting colour over the primer.
You just saw us finish off the 240 stage. Blocked the whole car down all around the outside, all the big flat areas for 240. Now we're going to go through it again with some 320 grit,